Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we'll continue working on this project, and if you didn't see my last video you can go to my channel. In the last video we created first section and header, and today we'll continue working on this project. Let's get started. Okay, open our code and open our markup, create new section. And first add our container using div and add our class container. Okay, and next we need to create title. We'll be using h2 tag. Copy this text and paste here, and also we need to create description. Copy this tag using paragraph. Okay, and next we need to create these 4 cards. First we create a list using all, and also create li inside this tag. Okay, and we need to create image, title and description. Let's go. First we create wrapper for our image and create our image using image tag. And next we need to create title. We'll be using h5 tag. Copy first text, and next we need to create description using paragraph and paste this text here. Okay, and now we need to download all these photo. Create new folder. We can name this folder card work or cards work. It doesn't matter. We'll be using we'll be save our images here. Download first images. Always using JPEG. Okay, and let's go to add our images here using src attributes. First we created only one card because first we need to add styles, and next we'll add next cards. Okay, here's our new section, and now we need to add class, and also we need to stylish our section. Okay, create class for our section. We can write word works, because inside this section will be information how our program is work. Okay, and let's add inner and copy this class and paste here. Only add title. Okay, and also add here, add this. And also we need to create style for our cards. Okay, and for card we can create new class work card. Okay, and create new class for our images, and for our tag, for our title. Okay, and in the end we need to add class for our paragraph using text. Okay, let's look at the window. Here's our section, and let's add our styles. Copy this class and add margin top and margin bottom. Okay, and next we need to add stuff for our title. Copy this property and using our works title. Okay, but also we need to add margin bottom. Okay, and next we need to add stuff for our desk. And also add margin bottom. Okay, let's look at the window. Here's our title and description. And now we need to add style for our cards. Copy our class. And first we need to add max width. Okay, and next let's add style for our image. And also add overflow hidden for our container and add border radius. Okay, and next let's add stuff for our card title. Okay, copy this property here, because I often confuse these two sections. Okay, and let's add stuff for our text. Using our text class. Okay, our card is ready and now we can create new card. Copy this code 4 times. Okay, here's our all cards and let's change images and copy our text. Okay, let's look at the window. Our cards are ready and next we need to create display flags. And also we need to add justify content. Justify content space between. Okay, here's our card and this section is ready, and let's also today create the next element. Create new div and we can add class ready, because I don't see what we can use, and create our title using h2 tag, copy text, and also we need to create button. I think this button will be link, and we can create our link. Okay, and add class here. Ready title and ready button. Okay. First let's create a margin. Okay, and add container for our element. Okay, and add stars for our title. Okay, and create stars for our button. Add background and radius, and also add stars for our text. Okay, let's look at the window. Here's our button, but we also need to create space between our button and our title using margin bottom, and create and change display our button. We need display inline block. Okay, our button almost is ready, but we also need to add padding. Create our padding. Okay, now our button is ready, but we also need to change position our button. Let's using margin auto. But don't forget to change width our button using width content. Okay, our button is ready, and we forgot one very important thing. All our button and all our link must to have cursor pointer. Let's create global styles, button and link tag, cursor pointer. Okay, now it looks nice. And okay, today we created the second section, and also we created this element. Thanks for watching this video, and if you like this video, please subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next video.